Yada CVM Samuel kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so Apostle Dr. Anita Kutego yada say eni nkranhyen sam de adu so no ye Badwam kase ne obetie wo mu bi ni ye bekọ kwawu west abeto dwanran so hwe na nkra ne hyase no nkra du ba akode won mu amma yede honsam no ebeba na ye gina GES nso kokobo ga wode ma sukufo nkwada ne tichu BECE candidate no se wa ye becho se wo bo apo wo ho no eni emra no wo ho eni ubedi sansam ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwa adomonline.com ensem we ne nsem bebre so eka ho bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni demientie se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie Yeko kwawu west abato mpesua no eso na mensin no emu abeto dwa BECE nsohwe no ya enro nkra no hyase na wi akire nkra du ba akode wonu mu amma de enti Adom kase etoso ya enya kokuduro enya rohim se afin so on be pass ya ko centers ne bia ne afiwe mani agye won se enipa ntimi ametron so re no e wo fom pa so okay kabomwa out of 2,678 students say 74 enipa du ba ko pe ena me no kase o mantimi ametron eno kra education director omo etu wan na mo se ye next people ana ye next day no omemo mu nyina ba betro oye bamboni police ni whoever enya wasede so beko examination room akone na mo franos
anu achi adesuafo an so hwene bi won mo tworo bie ene Adom kase dinkomo edefa sede na won mo first pano esifa etie
try ne de da fom boko ngawanda na ma one school na yesu eni nyina ye ba ene na no pepepe na o enti bibia ko yema ye ogidie se resource ne beba ni nyina ye di nkunim pepa no na eyafo kakra na emom na 1212 bi e wose ye na so na eko bibia ko yi say baby o ha ye refi enso nyame adum ti ye kai ye etwe
Deputy Director General of Ghana Education Service in charge of management services here, Professor Smile GC. Na wode kokobo ma sukufo a wotre BECE so hwe no obese woni die mu apodie mo bia mo no humusro so de bi ba ho kase no etoso
BECE ashase wasini nara wasa abewie nde ukuda za watchra we me kire social studies amanso na computing sai hwe suafo no mbre we wie computing za work can za no chede social studies no nimuye esen computing na watchra no na ni nyina no obi bese showers of blessing nsu na wa shasa all pity ewo Nema cluster of schools baby ye share aprabo na ase no owonso na ye wie aprabo no Deputy Director General of Ghana Education Service Professor Smas GC the aprabo no ba ha no the two esuafo vigilators the man so na supervisors nyina yim there nyimpa wo be chene there oze apo ana there ori yanzama bia onsada wa ye ne ze onyaza woze wa ho be chene.
Yeah, we don't want to tolerate any examination or practice at all, no leakages, nothing. And we are not going to spare anybody whatsoever. The student must be confident in themselves, write what they have learned, what they know. They should make sure they don't involve themselves in any exam or practice.
Only in nature, no, say, za we za. Ochina ya wudi was a social enkano was the best shadow. Nazawara kind there. O insun there za we shanu, obotum aba na wotum atro na watro ni na nkwimzi ayahonze demre wahwehwe no. Ye ma asam no so. Ye bekodezi asam dechi na ya hwede BECE nsohwe ni na no bebewieye na ya ma Adom ahwafo ehuza okodo fiti nnewukuda kopim ukuda a odan yenyim kojo mensa abrampa na mazebo
Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama sa 24-hour economy no be hyase wo Tema ne Takoradi port July bosome da edikan.
We're also implementing a game-changing strategy, the 24-hour economy initiative, to unlock Ghana's productive potential across all sectors. And I'm pleased to announce that on July 1st, the 24-hour initiative policy will be ready to go into operation. This policy will provide the framework for continuous production, processing, and logistics in horticulture. It allows perishable goods like pineapples, mangoes, chilies, and herbs to move swiftly from the field to ports to international shelves, minimizing losses and maximizing value.
We no sadi to just say oba behwe kwani obefa so a oman sika si de no benya hoden pa na aboa no ne aman hodo so sika no etimi asi agan yie pa eno nti kwa ba kwa wo fa so ene se oman hwe adwuma befa no ntuma pefra matumi ede dodo no akwa aman hodo so.
To stabilize our currency, we must earn more foreign exchange. And one of the surest way is to expand high-value agricultural exports. We are on that path boldly and deliberately, and we shall work together with our exporters to be able to achieve this. Ghana exports fresh produce to Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, and in 2024, our non-traditional exports exceeded $3.5 billion.
Meka say Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama ene ye nat mpanifo hia omadi nkomo bebre aban sinkete said ye bebo ma chechirofo adwuma ya kono no akoso aye ne won ye no behwe so onsa ebeka.
We know that a happy, well-motivated teacher leads to positive outcomes, learning outcomes for our children. And so a happy teacher is a happy child or a happy student. And so we'll continue to work closely with you to make sure that we're able to improve the conditions of service of teachers so that teachers are treated with respect and everybody knows that our teachers are the ones who create the foundation that makes us who we become in future. So I'm happy to welcome you and then to reiterate what Haruna said, that we have passed a directive that every school that is being built at the basic level must come with accompanying accommodation for teachers.
Mampedi Dramani Mahama abo amane se wonom ene teachers fund no aiding sawoso a enchekura wonom ebeda housing scheme madi ama achechefo se de beya achechefo benya akwanya etimi ato adan ebo a efo na wasan so etua ne kakran kakra.
We wanted to collaborate with funds like the Teachers Fund so that governments can also make a counterpart funding and add it to what the teachers have. And then you can have your members apply for housing. We'll sit with you, do the designs together, make them, in Ghana today when you say affordable housing, it ends up being, more for the wealthy than for the poor. And so I call it low-cost housing. Achampo used to call it low-cost housing, and they built so many of them all across the length and breadth of this country.
Omai Mustafo ya washapum de hun samso kwabna minta kando di tujachi musa nese fwa won som pain won humijie mo no ene Nurses and Midwives Association what you atie anything kebe ya womra embeboa nenso nei ebinumo ababonten se wo mo ma na machna de woso ye de ma nurse fo ene midwives wonye emfama wo.
It's rubbish because I don't know anything about health. He's just there as a minister. And you move your break, near to take near another 9 duty, and you market to a Jumani. The time maintenance, you need to have a distribution of the by the mother. Now, the economy is a one of the same. And it to unction is needed. The earlier the better. I told you to them on one support woman in Kojuma because the war, the Nippon should be, you can't bring life back. You know that the concerns of the nurses are genuine. Yes, life should be lost because life is important, it is precious. And people being the power of a buying share no money to the effect. No money can they are comfortable.
Omuba Consua, or no so, it near the Mayan, Madame Comfort, H.
Yeah, Juma Fisam, almost 40 years. I'm the best. Then the best years I make pension. She can't demand offer. Okrabaga, hey, at that time I used to make a message. Miss, hey, she can't win it. Mammy, she can't. A blank when I took one quablo. Nebuso Missy bro, near maybe a Juma 40 years. I demand. It's more, yeah. It's in Colorado, Moyano. Me a year honorable candle, one can come home, one pass and papa being country almost. Now retired nurses and midwife ready. Me, man, much not marriage. tia me se me nua mo bia no beba ai me fa cho ya odie pa ene e de ya adwuma na se nyankopon ti na che se wo hwe ni pa na nyame hira wo enti wo de ya odie but na wo de ya adwuma no enti bread ya bere papa wa adwuma ni mu
Yenye no so na Adom TV bedwam kase na ha na brema kwan na ye de sie ye da semre ne adaje a wode maye wada wo matwe ye na ye mfa de bonkrata no ene online de no ntoso ye kwaba